All right, you mentioned before during the previous hearing that there is a chief PNP that was involved in the escape of Alice Go. Now, General Acorda is a former chief PNP. Is he the one involved?
I won't divulge it here, sir.
General Acorda, how long did you know Mr. Tony Yang? At ano talaga ang pagkatao nito?
Your Honors, as I stated, una ko siya nakilala nung naging DRDA ako, and yung pagkatao niya po, I've heard about his relationship, about his brothers, and sa negosyo po doon sa Cagayan de Oro, I understand marami po siyang negosyo doon. Kasama na po yung pagpaparating po ng bigas po, Your Honor.
Pagpaparating ng bigas, pag-smuggle?
Well, whether smuggled or not, Your Honor, I cannot qualify that. Maybe it's up for the...
All right.
Okay.
How did he seek an appointment to your office?
Usually, Your Honor, when I was in Region 10, we have direct contact because I gave him my calling card, and sometimes through my staff, but it's not that frequent, Your Honor. Kumbaga, nagkakataon lang pag may mga pag-uusapan, especially when there are activities in the camp or yung mga gift-giving operations namin, Your Honor.
So, yung litrato niyo ni Mayor Kalugay, paano ka na-contact ni Mayor Kalugay? Paano siya nakarating sa office mo when you were then the chief PNP?
The same way, Your Honor, kasi may gate po kami doon. Usually, pag may papasok po sa aking quarters or sa White House, dadaan po sa gate and itatawag sa gate, i-clarify po may
Ibig sabihin,
appointment.
wala siyang appointment nung pumunta siya sa inyo? Ikaw ng chief PNP no, dapat may appointment bago makipagkita sa inyo.
Your Honor,
Unless if it is really very important.
Your Honor, I cannot exactly recall kung talagang naka-appoint yun or hindi, but usually when he visits me, ganun po ang proseso. Idadaan sa gwardiya, itatawag kung pwedeng makapag-seek ng appointment. Because as I recall, Your Honor, during the time when I was the chief PNP, talagang maraming bisita, and nagiging extension na rin po yung official residence ko as part of my office.
So matagal mo nang kilala si Mayor Kalugay?
Since I became the director for intelligence, Your Honor.
Nakikita mo si Mayor Alice doon sa SWAL?
I never went to SWAL during his term as mayor, Your Honor. And,
ano narinig mo sa kanilang dalawa? Meron ka ba narinig?
Aside from the vlog, Your Honor, wala na po kung personal knowledge, Your Honor.
Wala na talaga. Anyway, General Villanueva, if I may. General Villanueva. All right, you mentioned before during the previous hearing that there is a chief PNP that was involved in the escape of Alice Go. And of course, si Senator Bato already questioned you about it. At hindi naman si Senator Bato yon. Now, General Acorda is a former chief PNP. Is he the one involved?
Actually, sir, Your Honor, I already clarified this in the past two sessions that I do not even have a name. I don't have a name. So even if I have a name and I don't have any confirmation, I won't divulge it here, sir.
You would not?
Divulge it. If I'm not sure it's confirmed. Confirmed, sir.
Why did you give that kind of
That's why
statement?
I said, sir, I dismiss it as rumor only, sir.
Yeah, are you spreading rumors here in this committee? Why did you have to
No, sir.
say that statement?
That's why
there is a,
that's why-
Let me finish.
Yes, sir.
Let me finish. That there is a former chief PNP that helped the escape of Alice Go. And then the next day you retracted it.
even on the first, the previous hearings, even from the very start, I did not say that the former chief PNP helped Alice Gu escape. It's not in the. I never even said that it's a confirmed or something. Even from the very start, I dismiss it as rumor, sir.
General Acorda, I got hold of a picture, no? You were together with the then Mayor Alice Go. In this picture, you were side by side together with that. May I know what event was this?
General Corda.
Yes, sure, Madam Chair. That is the only opportunity that I was able to meet personally.
First time?
Yes, Your Honor. And in that activity, it was the police service anniversary of Region 3 wherein I was the guest of honor of Region 3. And Mayor Alice Go was one of the awardee. But may I emphasize, Your Honor, that the deliberation for the selection of the awardees is not at the national headquarters level, but at the level
You
of,
were not part or instrumental in deliberating the award given to then Mayor Alice Go. Am I
Yes, Your
correct?
Honor. And because of that also, in our planning with Yusek Gilbert Cruz, we decided that we will not use Region 3, but instead we use Region 1 and Cordillera during the operation, Your Honor.
All right. All right. One last question, General Corda. When you raided the Bamban Pogo Hub, bakit hindi mo ginamit yung CIDG Region 3? Why did you utilize yung CIDG NCR? Why not Region 3? Kasi Region 3 covers Pampanga. Am I correct?
Yes, Your Honor. It's just a precaution on my part, not because I don't trust yung Region 3, but because of the massive requirement of police officers to be deployed. Nag-precaution lang po kami na konti ang magiging commotion during the
So
operation, Your
was
Honor.
the raid successful? What have you retrieved during the raid?
We extracted some data and also may mga na-rescue po tayo, Your Honor. And I think to my appreciation, we can consider it as a successful
Very
operation.
successful.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
that
Your
is additional feather in your cap.
May I be allowed, sir, to correct something because I think I mentioned earlier that we were assisted by PAOK. It will be an understatement, Your Honor. In fact, Yusek Gilbert Cruz talagang siyang nagsumikap din. Talagang grabe yung coordination namin,
So
Your
meron
Honor.
kayong talaga coordination si Yusek Gilbert.
Yes, Your Honor.
Alam mo, matagal ko nakilala si Yusek Gilbert. Naging chief of police ko pa sa San Juan yan. No, mayor ko. Matinong tao yan. Yun lang, Madam Chair. Thank you.